So CONA's orthopedic urgent care allows patients to get in to see an orthopedist early, and in that manner they get faster care. Emergency rooms and urgent cares are generally there to help triage patients, help them figure out what the underlying problem is. But if you've been injured in a simple manner and you know that you have an injury to your leg or your knee, maybe your arm or your shoulder, it's often better to actually see the specialist first, who would ultimately be the one to treat you. Additional benefits of the urgent care that's specific for orthopedic injuries is that you get to see the specialist first. You don't have to go to multiple places, there's less cost, there's less waiting. Orthopedic urgent care is a great place to get care for common injuries. Those include fractures of bones, as well as ligament injuries, sprains, as well as other injuries of the upper and lower extremity. Even if you're uncertain as to what's causing your pain or why you may be continuing to have pain days after a small injury, orthopedic urgent care can help you make that diagnosis and help you figure out what additional care you may need going forward. If you need extra care or follow-up care after coming to the orthopedic urgent care, we'll make sure that you get the referral that you need. We have all of the subspecialists represented here in our practice, and if you need to see somebody who specializes in foot and ankle or somebody who specializes in hand and wrist problems, we'll make sure that you get in to see them. If you need to see somebody outside of our practice, we have good relationships with the rest of the community, and we'll make sure you get to the person that's necessary. By coming to the CONA Orthopedic Urgent Care first, we'll have access to all of your records, we'll have all of your available imaging, and we'll be able to expedite your care and get you back on track as quickly as possible.